Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back at you with another awesome weight loss video for you today. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a powerful detoxifying weight loss smoothie. And this smoothie is going to thoroughly clean your colon. It's going to remove all those toxins from your body, whatever buildup and backed up stuff you may have up in there, causing you bloating, causing you constipation. This smoothie is going to help to eliminate that. It's going to clean you out. It's also going to fight diseases, because when you clean toxins and fecal matter out your body, that is eliminating any chances of you getting diseases. So this smoothie is awesome. It's going to do your body such wonderful good. It's going to help you to lose that belly fat, okay? All of that pudging in the front, it's going to start to get rid of that. So let me show you the things you're going to need for this awesome detox. You're going to need to slice up one whole cucumber. A small to medium cucumber is best. I'm going to be using my purple cabbage. I'm also going to be using my bananas. I usually like to peel my bananas and freeze them for another day. Now they may look a little worn out, but they're still good for smoothies. And today, instead of water, I will be using my coconut water for a nice sweeter taste. So let's start right now. Oh, and also you're going to need a blender. So I'm going to be using my NutriBullet full-size blender. Now if you're interested in purchasing one of these blenders, links will be down below in the description bar. So go ahead, check it out. And this blender is so affordable. It's only $100. So if you're interested, click the link down below to get yours. Okay, so since I have my NutriBullet here, okay, I'm going to start off by peeling my cucumbers, which I always do when they're, being that they're not organic. So I'm going to peel this and slice this up, and I'll be right back. So since I've already started and I've already sliced my cucumbers, I'm just going to get rid of that first and put that inside my NutriBullet. Okay. Next, I'm going to use one full-size banana. Okay, one banana. Now next, I'm going to be using my purple cabbage. Now purple cabbage is an awesome cabbage full of antioxidants, full of fiber. It's wonderful. It's a little bit more pricier than the regular cabbage, but it comes a long way with the nutrients and vitamins that you're going to be getting from this. Now, what we're going to only use today is 1/4 of our cabbage. Alright, so I'm just going to cut this. Okay, so I'm just going to cut this again. Now this only calls for 1/4 of your purple cabbage, so you can pack the rest away for another day, but only use 1/4. That's all that's needed. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this into pieces, and then I'm going to thoroughly wash this cabbage. Even though it was wrapped, that does not mean that it's free from any type of pesticides, because it isn't organic, so you have to clean and wash your vegetables thoroughly. So I'm just going to chop this up. Okay, so my cabbage is finished. It's clean. And I'm just going to add that into my blender. And lastly, I'm going to add in 1 cup of my coconut water. Pure coconut water. Okay, now I'm just going to add that in and blend it. Okay, wow, look at that beautiful color. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now I'm going to get my Big Mama mug. Okay, my Big Mama cup. Wow, look at that rich, beautiful color. Okay, you guys, so there you go. There you have it. Your wonderful detoxifying smoothie. Awesome for weight loss. It's great to clean your colon out. It's going to fight diseases because your colon is clean, okay? And this is awesome and it's easy to make. A few simple ingredients, a blender, and you got this powerful detoxifying smoothie. Okay? And you can drink this as a meal replacement as well. Okay, let me try this out. Surprisingly enough, it tastes delicious. It tastes delicious. You hear? I got more wonderful recipes coming your way using the purple cabbage. And that purple cabbage is great for your system. All the cabbages, all those types of roughage foods like kale and cauliflower and broccoli, those are awesome for detoxifying your colon. So I have another recipe that I have coming your way that is wonderful. Great meal ideas, replacement meals, great for cleaning you out and weight loss. Stay tuned, you guys. I got more coming your way. And like I said, if you want to know where to go and get these metal straws, as well as the NutriBullet, the full size one, as well as also the personal size one, the links will be down below in the description bar. So thank you again, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe down below, as well as subscribe to the other channel, Velvet Vlogs, which is down in the description bar. And until the next video, you guys, I will see you then. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs. Okay, so check it out. Go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.